Hello boys. Just really quickly before we get into this recipe video, I just thought I'd explain why I really love aloe vera and why I think it's a very underrated ingredient in the skincare community. I used to only ever use pure aloe vera for a sunburn. I don't really ever get sunburns, but like if I got like a little bit, just like a little bit, if I got like a little bit of a sunburn on my face, and I religiously only ever use aloe vera gel. I never really used it for anything else until the beginning of this college year, and I started to use it a lot more, and I've seen a dramatic improvement in my skin. Really quickly, disclaimer, please don't use the aloe vera plant because not all species, but I'm pretty sure some of them have carcinogens in them. So please, for the love of God, just bite the bullet, pay €6 to buy a tube or a tub of aloe vera gel, the 99% stuff, whatever, I don't care, just buy aloe vera gel. Do not buy a plant and rub that on your face. I'll link some articles down below, please, just believe me, just buy the gel. Aloe vera is really good for your skin. It's really good if you have acne, if you're on your period and you get like little bits of spots and stuff, like inflammation comes up, it's really good for that. So, sunburn, obviously, it's a good gentle moisturizer for dry skin or if you have eczema. But apparently it's really good for reducing wrinkles, but I wouldn't know because I am 18. Yeah, let's just get into the recipe. I don't know if you call it a recipe. The tutorial! Let's get into the tutorial. I love making facial sprays really quick because it's really easy. Just like spritz it on in the morning, spritz it on at night. It's good for your scalp if you have really dry or itchy scalp. Really simple. It's just a 2-ingredient thing, and especially in the times that we are, they're very easy ingredients to get. The first thing is boiled or bottled water. I don't know why you need boiled or bottled water, but I think it removes impurities in the water. I'm not exactly sure. So you're going to fill this up around like 1/3 of the way, maybe a little more. So I filled it up around halfway, between 1/3 and 1/2, and then you just spritz in your aloe vera gel. I like to make it quite thick so that it's quite strong. So I mainly do 1.2 parts water, 1 part aloe vera gel, and then you just mix it up. Perfect now. I found that the more aloe you add, the more fine the mist will be, and that's be able to spurt. Of course, that always depends on the bottle. Oh my god. You get. I like to use it as a setting spray or as a facial spray after your toner, before your moisturizer, or any time you want in the day, as a scalp spray just to keep my scalp moisturized and just like relieve a bit of the pain in my scalp. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Bye.